Complete peace of mind whenever you desire. That right there is the ultimate core value proposition of Astra's managed solution. You are no longer stressing over a chaotic, unmanaged system full of messy wires, dead hard drives, and mysteriously offline cameras. Instead, you are partnering with a premium white glove service that guarantees your property is watched, meticulously maintained, physically protected, and digitally secured 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Which leaves us with one final, very important question to consider today. Are you ready to upgrade your business to Elite? If you're a business owner or a facility manager who wants your equipment flawlessly maintained, vulnerabilities completely sealed, and your valuable time finally given back to you, well, this is the managed solution you've been waiting for. Don't wait for a costly, disastrous incident to reveal your current system's blind spots. Upgrade to the Astra Surveillance Elite Support Agreement and experience exactly what true zero downtime security feels like.